We're here at the International Wöhler Partner-Meeting.
It's nice to meet colleagues and partners in person.
It's good to have that communication so everybody understands everybody's world.
The first one was the factory tour.
Going from logistics, we went down to production, went down to service. So we had a really good insight into the company.
I have been in the marketing workshop and I think I have seen something new, something interesting.
We have people here from 22 nations, so people from all over the world. So it's really nice to get in touch with them and to exchange ideas and we are really looking forward for our evening today. We have a Saturday night party.
I appreciated what you have told us for the future program.
And about the repairing and about the new product, it was very helpful to us.
It will be fantastic for the business.
I believe that Wöhler as a whole has a goal of providing the complete picture for the world.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to